Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you guys my morning cleaning routine. My morning cleaning routine takes me about 15 minutes and it's something that I do every morning, and I will not leave the house until it's done. That way, if I'm busy out running errands, whatever, I at least know I come back to a somewhat clean house. So the first thing I start off is making our bed and tidying up our room, picking up any clothes or anything like that. If you don't make your bed every day, I definitely recommend it. It's your first accomplishment of the day and it just helps your room look more put together. Plus you feel like you got your life a little bit together, you know, when your bed's made. Once the bed made and the room is tidied up, I like to throw in a load of laundry every day. There are days I'm not perfect, I don't get around to this, but I do try to do one load a day just to help me keep up with the laundry so it doesn't get backed up and I'm dealing with a huge mountain of laundry. Doing a small load every day really helps me because laundry is one of my most hated chores.
Come on, let's spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
Once I have the load of laundry going, I'll usually go back in my bathroom and tidy up my bathroom just from us getting ready in the morning. I usually have to put my hair products away. Anything that Dee pulled out while I was fixing her hair in the morning before school. Just kind of tidy up my counter because this always gets super cluttered. After that, and I know this is going to be a little controversial, I pick up Dee's bedroom every morning for her if she's in school and I make her bed. Just because she's in school, she had a long day. It's just something nice I do on the weekends, or if she's home, I make her clean her room. If she makes a mess after school, I make her clean it up. But if she's in school first thing in the morning, it's just something nice I do just so she can come back to a clean room. So I'm just putting away all of the toys she decided to get out, and then I'm going to make her bed.
Changing your mind. Nah, 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 we ain't got the time. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.
Does anybody else's kids have to have a million stuffies and blankets on their bed? Because my daughter has to.
While you're going on about your simple life, nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here,
Once I'm done in Dee's room, I go in and I load up the morning dishes that we had from breakfast, from Zach making his protein shake or anything like that. And then I start the dishwasher. I always start the dishwasher in the morning in my morning routine, and then I unload it while I'm cooking dinner, and then I can just load up the dinner dishes. And then I try and clean the sink every time after I do the dishes as well, just because sinks are gross, right?
in all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable.
I always wipe down my counters in my evening cleaning routine, but I feel like I have to do it in my morning cleaning routine too. Let me know, are you the same? Are they clean from the night before? Do they need to be cleaned again? I'm just like a clean freak, I think. And then I get my diffuser going. Right now I'm loving Eden Garden's Sunshine Spice. It smells really good. And this diffuser will go all day. It's 300 mils, so if I turn this on in the morning, it's usually still going when I'm cooking dinner at night.
With his humble lack and everlasting ego, someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face.
I don't do this every morning, but this morning my Scentsy cubes need to be replaced. This is my most favorite scent. It's just from Walmart. It's called Sea Spray, and it's my favorite scent for like the spring and summer months. It smells really, really clean and fresh, and like you've been doing laundry all day. This is another thing. This isn't my evening routine, but I always do it in the morning too. Is this necessary? I don't know. My daughter eats breakfast at the table in the morning before school, so I like to tell myself it's necessary. And then I'll go in my living room and I'll tidy up. One of my dogs decided to chew up a toy, so I was cleaning that up. And then I usually just have to straighten the pillows and put away anything that maybe D left out in the morning before school. And then if the trash needs to be taken out, I'll go ahead and do that in the morning.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing a fight.
And then before I leave, I'll just turn on my little robot vacuum. I got a D-Bot. It's from Best Buy. It works great. I really love it. I'll just turn that on and get it going. And that's everything for my morning cleaning routine, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give this video a like, as well as hit subscribe down below. I'd love to have you here. And I'll see you guys back here for a brand new video very, very soon. Bye.
I'm falling